Model, 2020 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCi Leader 130 PS 350 L3H1 flatbed dropside chassis cab recovery truck. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 195182. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for